Hey girl, it's Sonia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a ton of cleaning products that I found over at Target. Come on, get your car out of here. The devil is trying to mess with my filming and it's not going to happen, okay? We're gonna get through this. Is that the gardener, the weed whacker? Ah! This is why I'm not consistent, y'all. I'm just glad this boy got a job, okay? Thank the Lord, this man is still... You know what's the best time to film? 1 o'clock in the morning. As the gardener is doing his thing outside, I just got a text message from Spectrum Business and it says that there's a service outage. Why? I'm good. I don't need the internet. I just work on the freaking internet. Okay. Hey girl, it's Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a ton of cleaning products and household products that I found over at Target. Now, there is a lot that I'm going to be sharing with you guys because I was inspired by TikTok, some of my favorite scents, things that I just ran out of, and I'm going to show you the products that I repurchased. And hopefully you guys can help me in the comment section down below by giving me some advice. And also like product recommendations. And if you guys want to see an actual like clean with me video, I would love to do that and like, you know, have little chit chat conversations and things like that while I'm cleaning. So I think that would be like a really cool series to have on my channel, maybe even a weekly situation. Let me know if you'd be interested in something like that. And as always, before we get into this haul, make sure you like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have yet to join my family. And let's get into it. No! Speaking of cleaning, oh no, baby. This, okay. All right, we're good. I would not want to fight with a cleaning lady. They have to be buff to be carrying all this stuff. Look at all this. This is like the mom stuff. Talking about products like they are designer shoes or something, you know, because this is like, is your kid gonna use this? No, you're gonna use this. So you're like, oh, okay. This is the Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash, and I've seen it all over like cleaning TikTok, and I had to try it. And it comes with a little spray and it has a light pear scent. Okay, it does. I'm just glad it doesn't have like a really powerful like bleach scent. Bleach can smell like something else. Okay. I'm grossing myself out. Okay, this is the first product. I need to get it together. Okay, I've seen this actually used in more than just the kitchen. So I've seen it in like the bathtub. And the great thing about dish soap in particular is that it's designed to cut through like hard grease, right? I honestly use like a little of dish soap when I'm cleaning my makeup brushes because it really does break down the oils. So something similar to that one. Now you guys can let me know in the comments which one you prefer, either the Dawn Power Blaster, Power Wash. Now I'm changing names. And this is the Mr. Clean Freak. This is a deep cleaning mist in the scent lavender. I'm not really like a lavender girl. That's more like my mama's thing, but I'm still down to try. I saw like there was like a lemon scent, and for me, I guess I would pick lavender over lemon. Is this like the same thing? Did I get duped? Like, are they in cahoots with each other? They look like cousins. I think I just got played. Next up is going to be this Everspring Down to Earth, an all-purpose cleaner in the scent citrus and basil. I've been using Miss Meyer's cleaning products for like forever and ever as soon as they launched in Target. But I've been going towards the Everspring collection or line because it's like $2 or $3 cheaper depending on the products that you're choosing. So you can save money and you still get those really cool scents. And I have not had any problems with like stickiness on my countertops. So definitely check these out. There's so many other really great like scent combinations. And honestly, I don't put my all-purpose cleaner underneath the sink every single time after I use it. Sometimes I just leave it on the counter and the packaging is, you know, not horrendous where you're like, hi. I also have like a couple of products in this particular haul that is non-toxic or natural. So I just thought I would just throw those in the mix. But sometimes you're like, I need some chemicals to fight the nasty that's in my bathtub. Sometimes you just have to get toxic. I am new to the cleaning community, so I need your guys' help, okay? Am I doing this right? I also bought this little scrubby guy, and I think it was only like $2. It's from Scotch-Brite, and they had a couple of different options as far as the size goes. This one is round. I've seen some that were more like rectangular shaped, and it's great for getting in like the cracks, the nooks and crannies of your windowsill, I guess. Mine is pretty pitiful, so I'm sure I can go deep cleaning there. But you guys, I live right next to a canyon base, and it's just unavoidable. Dust is everywhere. I also need some recommendations on how to clean my like artificial plants. There's dust everywhere, girl. I needed this to help me scrub the bathtub, so that's why I bought this. Another scrubber that I picked up because of TikTok would have to be this one. This is the Scrub Daddy, and it's actually the Scrub Mommy. I've seen this so many times, but I just kind of like skipped over it. Because of the texture, it made me worried I would scratch the surfaces of, you know, the things that I care about, like my house. And it says that it's scratch free. You can actually wash it in the dishwasher. It's super versatile, so you don't have to just use it for your dishes. You can use it all over your house. You can actually stick your spoon or forks inside of the mouth to get that really good scrub. I can't even tell you how many times I've been to someone's house, used a fork, and girl, they still had like pasta from like 3 weeks ago on the crusty fork. So I hope no one has any stories about eating in my house like that, okay? Because I check them out. I don't polish them, but I do check them, okay? I have stains in the bathtub and rings in the bathtub that are really hard to get off. I mean, I'll have Ajax, I'll have Comet, I'll have Bars Keeper all over the damn bathtub, and I just can't get it off. So that's why I purchased this. I'm hoping that it'll help me scrub some of that off. And I also got this guy, and I'm just hoping like I can scrub enough of it off to see a difference. If not, I think it's like older than me, probably older than my mom, so it probably just needs to be like reglazed or something. I know that we have like hard water here, and that's probably why my hands and my feet are so dry, and you know, thank the Lord that my hair is just still on my head. I also have to attack like the shower heads and the faucets because it built up so much. Let me know if you guys are dealing with the same situation. I don't have windows in both of my bathrooms because I live in a condo, and the bathrooms are like further out. They're not on the window side. So mold grows inside of the toilets so easily, and I rarely use my light in there. I just leave the door open because first of all, I'd be claustrophobic sometimes. And then second of all, like, I don't like the noise of my fan. It's like, I don't like it. So I don't use it. Maybe I should. Listen, your girl's a hot ass mess because I can't even use hot water because my skin is so sensitive that I will break out into hot, never mind, that's a whole other story. Anyways, I got the Scrubbing Bubbles Bubbly Bleach Gel, and I think I also seen this on a TikTok. Check out the nozzle on this cleaner. You can easily like get right underneath that lip in your toilet bowl. That's where all the crust and mold lives for me. It's right in that little, and you don't even see it when you're standing above it, but when you're like ground level and you look over, you're like, oh my God. I needed to film this because I need to use these products, so I will make sure to bring you guys along with me when I'm cleaning my dirty ass house. I have the automatic sprayers, which you've seen in my past hauls, but this time I got these little plugins from Glade, and I got this double pack, so I'm gonna put one in my bedroom and one in the front room. And I also got this, look how many there are in this one. You guys probably have seen in my past hauls that Cashmere Woods is my favorite scent in my house. It's so beautiful. It's like the most beautiful scent ever. Just try it, even if you just go and do a little scratch and sniff. They need to make a perfume. Stop playing games, okay, Glade? Make a perfume, or at least some kind of like spray so I can put it on my body. I love Cashmere Woods. So if you want to know what my house smells like, it smells like that. My younger sister, Marina, is, I think she just turned 34? I think 35? Girl, I don't even know. We're old. She cleaned out her oven, her garbage disposal, and I believe her washing machine. And I've been living here for almost 10 years, and I did not know you needed to wash the washing machine. Am I the only cochina that's washing their clothes in a dirty washing machine. I am today years old, so happy birthday to me. Here is the Tide washing machine cleaner, and there are 5 single packs in this box alone. My machine is a dinosaur, and it was actually acting possessed the other day. 1 per week for 3 consecutive weeks, following the instructions below. That's a lot. I need to research this because I'm like, what happens in between those 3 weeks? You can't wash your chonies? Like, oh no, baby. I also got some Off products, and I absolutely love Off, and I featured them on my channel before. And if you guys know anything about me, you know that I scar so badly when it comes to mosquito bites. So I'm constantly bombing my patio, anywhere that we're hanging out, say like we go to the park or something, I have to travel with like an outdoor fogger, like this one right here, because first of all, it smells good. It doesn't smell like a citronella candle, and it is super effective. Like as soon as I'm like spraying in the air, all the bugs are like, oh, okay, all right, we got it. This is like important. I also threw a camping birthday party for my son, and this was the bomb. No one ever, literally, because this is a backyard, never mind. You have to like spray and then like let it get into the environment, and then you can go ahead and hang out. But I wouldn't spray it and like chill, because you'll be choking on it. It's pretty strong. I also picked up this first aid antiseptic, and you have to put this on as soon as you get bit. I was cleaning out my big tubs for recyclables over on my patio, and I kid you not, I was on the patio for not even, I don't even think it was like 3 minutes. And I'm trying to film the process as well. I got bit up. I saw the mosquitoes actually, no! I was literally a whole snack, if not a buffet, because I think he was here, had his cousin on my back. Girl, I got attacked. I also purchased these bins, these black bins, and I'm going to use them for storage in my son's room. I was using those boxes, like, they're like, I don't even know what kind of material they would be. But you would see them mostly like at IKEA for those cubicles. You know what I'm talking about? Those like little cube cubby things. Love these because I'm gonna do my son's room over again with black, white, and brown, I believe. Guess let's stay tuned for that. I also got some more light bulbs. These are for my vanity area above my sink. They're always going out. The wiring in this building is so old. They're constantly going out, and these are not cheap. I'm actually in my bedroom right now, and there's a light switch over on the wall as soon as you walk in. Everybody always touches it to try to turn the lights on in my room, and there's no overhead light that is connected to that switch, so it doesn't work. And what I purchased is going to replace that light switch. So we have a light switch here. You actually put this into the wall like you would any other like face plate to a light switch. So you just pop this on, and then you have your little controller that is plugged into something that you would like to turn into a switchable situation. So I think this was like $20. So I'm really excited to get this going. Can you hear them? They're vacuuming now. Lord have mercy. Good thing I'm on my last product. And I also got a refill of my Swiffer WetJet solution. This one is for hardwood floors. It smells really good, and I like the fact that it's not leaving my floors sticky, because I am like easily distracted, clearly. I also got the pads. And that's it for today's video. As always, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have yet to join my family. I've got tons of different kinds of videos here, but I'm paying attention to the things that you guys actually give thumbs up to, and to your responses down in the comments below. Those are really important, so if you have any requests or would like to see more videos like this, let me know down below. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.